At Matthews, we know the value of your products and how much they mean to people. We're here to help ensure that your products reach your customers efficiently and safely. We do this by being the leader in intelligent product identification, traceability and inspection.
At Matthews, we've helped many of our customers in a range of industries throughout Australia be more successful. We do this by offering our award-winning solutions that integrate seamlessly, maximising reliability and cost savings while minimising downtime. Matthews' experienced team help our customers choose the right hardware and software that best supports their manufacturing requirements.
We've probably done business with Matthews for over 10 years now. They're just a great company to work with.
The Matthews solution has made our product look more professional, easier to read, and also improves our efficiency.
They're reliable, reputable, and the quality is there.
It's about the service, it's the commitment, and it's the fact that Matthews want to grow with us.
The change to our business has been magnificent. I can't say enough about them for what they've done for the business.
Code. We provide all the technologies you need to effectively and efficiently code, label, and mark your products with barcodes, date codes, and product information to ensure your products meet all internal and external compliance requirements to track and trace your products safely. Check. We have inspection solutions to help your production lines run safe and error-free. We offer technologies that check all your products and packaging to eliminate coding, labelling errors, as well as detecting foreign matter and ensuring correct weights. Capture. We've designed the best software, IDSnet, to help you transform your production lines. This enables you to capture more data on the factory floor in real time and manage the process from one point of control to improve your OEE. Care. We truly understand the challenges you face in driving efficiency, accuracy, and having cost-effective processes in your supply chain. We offer a range of intelligent service plans to help you shape your own success in ways that best suit you.
As a proud family-owned business, we bring continuity, stability, and a great deal of care into everything that we do. Our values drive our behaviours, and they include leadership, innovation and creativity, a passion to go the extra mile, integrity, establishing trust, sustainability, and excellent service to our stakeholders.
The Matthews National Sales and Service footprint enables us to install, maintain, and support your equipment and business no matter where you are. We're very proud of our unrivaled 24/7 support, online, on the phone, and on site. We're there when it matters most.
Customer uptime and continuity is really important to us. That's why we keep our stock available and up to date. This includes new equipment, spare parts, fluids, and consumables, even to support our legacy installations. As well as delivering directly to our customers, our logistics team are here to support our field service technicians with parts to help us achieve our current 98% first-time fix rate.
We invite you to share in the benefits of our high-performing, innovative, caring approach. Together, let's ensure your products reach your customers efficiently and safely.